Good morning, my dear students. This is Neeraj Kumar, your English teacher. Today as well, I am here to continue a new topic, that is articles from grammar. Yesterday I started it and I gave you a very little introduction about the articles. Even we started with definite article the, right? So I was letting you know people about the places, about the things where we have got to use article, definite article the, right? So now let us continue. I hope you will be paying attention. Please have a look. Before the holy rivers. Before the holy rivers. The Ganga, the Nile, the Brahmaputra, Brahmaputra, the Brahmaputra, the Yamuna, the Krishna, the Kaveri. So my dear students, here you can see I just have noted down the name of some names of holy rivers: the Ganga, the Nile, the Brahmaputra, the Yamuna, the Krishna, the Kaveri. So in every example you have seen these are holy rivers. ये हमारी सब holy rivers हैं. And I just want to make it confirm to you. मैं आपको confirm करना चाहता हूँ कि इन holy rivers से पहले हमें article, definite article the use करना है. I hope you understand it. Let us move ahead. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now third point. Before sea, ocean, bay, gulf, so the Pacific, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic, the Atlantic Ocean, the Arctic, the Arctic Ocean, the Antarctic, the Red Sea, the Arabian Sea, so my dear students, now this time let's talk about the definite article. The we'll have to use it before sea, before ocean, before bay or gulf. So start with the Pacific Ocean. So it is our Pacific Ocean. तो Pacific Ocean से पहले मैंने दी लगाया है. Similarly, the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, the Antarctic Ocean, the Red Sea, the Arabian Sea. So here we have seen, यहाँ पर हमने देखा जितने भी हमारे ओशियंस हैं उनसे पहले मैंने डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द यूज़ किया. फाइन. सिमिलरली जितने भी हमारे समुद्र होते हैं, सी आई मीन, तो उससे पहले जैसे दी रेड सी, दी अरेबियन सी एंड मेनी मोर. सो दिस इज समथिंग आई होप you must have understood. Now let us move ahead. Group of islands. Group of islands. The Andamans. The Andamans, the Nicobar, the West Indies, the East Indies. So now this time let's talk about group of islands. तो जब हम group of islands की बात करते हैं, there as well will have to use definite article the. हम definite article the use करेंगे. Fine. Like the Andamans, the Nicobars, the West Indies, the East Indies. So here we have talked about the group of islands. So you have seen it कि हमने यहाँ पर भी जितने भी हमारे ग्रुप ऑफ आइलैंड्स होते हैं उनसे पहले हमने डेफिनेट का आर्टिकल द यूज़ किया. दी अंडमान्स, the Nicobars, the West Indies, the East Indies. Now let us move ahead. expressing nationality. 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 Expressing nationality. The Asians. The Chinese. Chinese. The Chinese. The Americans. The English. The Indians. The Indians. So my dear students, this time let's talk about expressing nationality. Nationality means like showing Rashtriyata. So you can see here the Asians, the Chinese, the Americans, the English, the Indians. Fine. तो यहाँ पर means here as well we have used definite article the. यहाँ पर भी हमने क्या यूज किया? Definite article हमने the यूज किया. Means all these examples, all these expressions showing nationality, right? First shows Asians, second shows Chinese, third shows Americans, right? Now the English means Britishers, showing Britishers, right? The Indians showing our nationality, means Indians. So my dear students, something that I have explained from the article, and I believe you must have understood the points that I have given you. So that is enough for the day. आज के लिए इतना रखते हैं. Means the rest part of definite article will be taken next time. Thank you very much.